The OPPO Find N5 is set to make its global debut on February 20th, marking a significant milestone for OPPO's foldable phone lineup. Unlike previous launches, the company is releasing the device simultaneously in China and other global markets this time. The event will be held in Singapore at 7 p.m. local time. A major highlight of the Find N5 is its 3D printed titanium alloy hinge, designed to make the device lighter and stronger. OPPO has been teasing the minimal display crease, promising an almost seamless fold. While early leaks suggest a slight crease remains visible at certain angles, it appears much less noticeable compared to previous models. The Find N5 will come in jade white, satin black, and twilight purple. However, the twilight purple variant may be exclusive to China, as it is absent from OPPO's global launch teasers. Leaked specifications suggest that the Find N5 will be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, making it one of the most powerful foldable phones. It will feature 16 GB of RAM, which can be virtually expanded by an additional 12 GB, ensuring smooth multitasking. With 512 GB of internal storage, users won't have to worry about running out of space. The camera setup is another standout feature. The triple-lens outer camera system includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto sensor. The phone will also have two 8-megapixel selfie cameras, one on the cover screen and another on the inner display, making it a versatile choice for photography and video calls. Running on Android 15 with OPPO's custom ColorOS 15, the Find N5 promises an optimized user experience. OPPO has been fine-tuning its software for foldable devices, and users can expect improved multitasking, seamless app transitions, and better UI customization. The battery life is impressive, with a 5,600 mAh battery powering the device. It supports 80-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring fast recharges and extended usage times. This makes it one of the best battery setups in a foldable phone to date. OPPO has been building hype through teasers, emphasizing the thin profile and refined hinge. Live images of the phone have leaked online, revealing a premium brushed metal frame and a dedicated alert slider, a first for OPPO's foldable. While pricing details remain unknown, the Find N5 is expected to be competitively priced against foldable flagships like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. If OPPO offers a lower price while maintaining premium quality, the Find N5 could become a serious challenger in the foldable market. Alongside the Find N5, OPPO will also unveil the OPPO Watch X2 at the event. Though details remain limited, the smartwatch is expected to offer improved battery life, better fitness tracking, and a refined design. And that's a wrap on the OPPO Find N5. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any video. See you next time.